Testing. 1 2 1 2. Excuse me. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, folks. Hope everybody's doing well out there. I hope you guys are making some money. I hope your portfolios are green. And I hope you took me up on the Hertz, the last few videos. I put one out today as well. You know, it's still in play, even though it's up today. It sold off a little bit, came back down to 582, but still doing really well. Almost got there to that $6. I still think Hertz can get there to that $6, so it's still on my radar. HTZ, but we're talking about it yesterday at $5.47. That's not what's up on the screen. What's on the screen right now is RNAZ, ticker symbol RNAZ. We got a great trade in on this one as well this morning. It was up big time. RNAZ right here. We were trading around this range in these pops here, and then I got out of it after I didn't even wait for opening bell. I don't think, because it just pretty much sold off. But RNAZ still a contender, if not today afternoon, after hours. Then I was just watching to see if it was going to snap back here, but we still got a few hours in the trading session. And we're keeping an eye on any of the runners. We got XBIO, ATON, NXL, a lot of runners that I haven't even heard before. GME Plus, got GME warrants, very interesting stock. I guess you have to put the plus in there. Yeah, you have to put the plus symbol in there, but this is GME Plus. This is GME warrants, I guess. I never heard of this. I guess it's their IPO, something to do with their warrants. I was trying to research it a little bit, but not much to show you here on the chart. This is the first day for GME Plus, and it's pretty much sold off here. Actually, it sold off a lot. Oh no, I was thinking it was higher than this, but no, it was like $4. I do remember it being $4 this morning, and then it went up to $4.39. I was thinking it was going to go to $5, and then now we're at $3.73. So GME Plus, going to be interesting. Watching this one going into 3 o'clock here, 4 o'clock, end of the session. Watch out for that. GPUS, I told you guys about that one as well. GPUS has been running pretty much every day. And then BBAI, I'm going to check in with BBAI. That was a beautiful trade for us. BBAI coming through again. Love that stock, man. It just always seems to do well. And then there you can see it. Wow. Probably could have held a little bit longer on BBAI, but it's still got some room to the upside here. BBAI was $7. I thought it was going to be $8 this morning. This is the spike from this morning. BBAI 775, 776 up here at the top of these candles, and then it just sold off all day. But we were able to get in, average down, and then I sold somewhere up here. Too early. I sold way too early, but hey, portfolio's green, and it doesn't mean we can't get back into this name here. BBAI doing phenomenal today, in my mind. Other people probably lost a lot of money, but hey, we're not here for the long run. We're here for a good time, right? Chart looking good though. Let me know what you guys are trading, and I will pull it up. Another one is BULL. You guys can pull that one up. I'm about to pull that up on the screen. BULL is down. And hey, if you're a trader, you like trading, then you should know about that stock as well, because that is Webull. BULL. I'm going to pull it up. And I'm not going to be on here long, you guys. I'm not going to really be doing any trading, but you can see as we speak, it's getting a monster green candle. Because it's undervalued. It got way oversold today. I'll show you the daily on this. But yeah, it's already up over the daily. This was the dip this morning. This was the buy on Webull when it was less than $12. Now it is $12.13. So you can see, beautiful chart. This was day trader's dream right here. Almost a no-brainer. But hey, I'm not a rocket scientist. Also, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Y'all do your own research, set stop losses, all that kind of good stuff. But you can see it in the chart right here. It even shows you red oversold here this morning. Just unbelievable here, all the way down to 11.49. I wish I could have got that price on Webull. It's $12.15 now. It was that's higher than the pre-market price, folks. That is higher than it was right here. It fell down basically and worked its way all the way back above it. So Webull doing well. At the end of the day, bezouncing. But you know, let me know what you guys are trading. You guys, let me know what y'all are trading. Oh, Reddit was a beautiful trade today. If you had the funds, RDDT, I'm about to pull this up. For me, this was a no-brainer. It did not take me but 2 seconds to pull the trigger on this trade right here. Look at the daily chart right here. RDDT, Reddit, you know the name. Look at this drop here. You could have grabbed some here and then average down maybe here. We actually were buying down here. We bought at 196. I tried to get 195. I tried to get 195 on Reddit. I was like, oh my goodness, this is a steal, under $200, and you can see it is above $200 now. Reddit. One of those no-brainer trades for me. And hey guys, no matter what kind of trader you are, if you think that like you're the best in the world, or you lose money every day, we've been there. I think that you need to go over your trades. Take notes, go over your trades. This was our trade today. And, not the best because I always get out too early. But we did get out under $200. Still made money. Like I said, I grabbed some at 196, and I just wanted a few dollars. It's very expensive, to tie up $200. And so right there at 197, 198. Got out, grabbed me a few dollars, and a little bit of profit for the portfolio. So time frame, that chart. Ryan, I've talked about this stock before as well, so go check the videos. And Reddit's been on my stock pick, so you guys, if you watch the videos, you would have been aware of this one, and hopefully been able to take advantage. But to answer your question, this is the 1 minute candles, and this is the daily chart. That's all this is. Nothing special here. This is the 50-day EMA, and then this is just the VWAP there at the blue line. So I'm just trying to show you guys that another legacy name that I've talked about, taking a beautiful dip today. Hopefully you guys were able to get in and out of this thing. But you know, one to put on your list. RDDT, Reddit. Hey, it's all good, Ryan. All good, brother. I understand. I'm almost there myself, man. I'm almost there myself. And we all learn differently. We all trade differently. We all probably read the chart differently, right? I was thinking that today. I was like, I listened to how other people trade, and then I was thinking of how I traded today, which I think I did pretty well, you know, but that's in my mind. And I probably traded too heavy, almost over traded. And I was thinking today I probably trade like behind, like I probably am still doing things I shouldn't do, you know, to say it short. But like we all do different, trade differently, right? A lot of people that come in here are option traders, which is cool because I don't really know how to do that. So I learned from you guys as well, and the stocks that y'all like, which is cool. I tend to stick with ones I like and I'm comfortable with, like Open Door. I've traded that stock every single day for the past, I don't even know, man. It's getting hard to keep up with. A month at least, I've traded this stock every day. It's expensive, but it always takes this dip here. And one day it's gonna catch me probably. I was thinking that today. I was like, one day this stock's gonna catch me. But man, we've really been able to catch that dip on open every day. So this is today, and give you guys some reference. Right here is 9:30. So to the left of the screen is 9:30. All the way to the left is 9:30. So this is opening bell, right, on open. And then this is the dip that I'm talking about. It does this almost every single day. And then it gave you two dips. So if you didn't get in here, if you think you missed out, right, this is after 9:30. This is 10:30. This is almost 10:30 right here on the dot. And then it rips back up. So we sold somewhere in here too soon again. But hey, it is what it is. We made money. And then it does its thing, right? And then it does this big rip here, but then sells off again. And this is kind of what it's doing right now, consolidating. But it's still around $9. And you could have, even if you got into this thing over here, you could have sold, you could sell right now. And if you got in right here, you could have sold, and you can sell right now. So look at this dip, another dip, like 3 dips, 4 dips on the stock. It's beautiful, beautiful chart here. Day trader's dream, OPEN. This is a free one, you guys, and I've made like 17 videos on this stock. People get tired of me talking about this stock, but hey, I don't really care, because somebody's going to catch on, somebody else is going to catch on, somebody else is going to learn too. That's what trading is. All right, that's what trading is. It's finding patterns in the market. And if you don't think that that's a pattern, that this is looking like this, but this stock is on fire. It does these dips almost every day. Beautiful chart. I'm waiting for it to really sell off and really come down. So keep your eyes on open, OPEN. Every day that we have gone live, I don't go live every day on here, but every day that we have gone live, I've pretty much shown this stock on here. But yeah, this one, BBAI, AIIO, again, I told you guys about that one. That was a beautiful trade for us. AIIO, this is an AI stock that a lot of people don't really know about, but look at this chart, man. This is beautiful. So it's still on discount pretty much. This is the dip that it's taken today. This is today. $1.85 up here at the top, right? and it is pretty much just sold off. But you can see there are buyers here. And there's also sellers, which is probably a lot of short sellers as well. But $1.49 right now. I don't know if I'm going to make any more content today, but if I did, this would be on the stock list again. But I've already told you guys about it in this range, I believe, somewhere in this range. So this is just another discount. This is just another dip on this thing. And this is also why I don't stay in things and I don't try to ride them out, because you end up taking huge dips. But you can, if you're on the sidelines, if you day trade, you can take advantage of situations like this. And most of this is day traders, this green, and some other people that are ready for the long ride. Oh man, RNAZ was a good one today. RNAZ. We got I think 2 trades in on this one today. This is the daily chart for this one. RNAZ. It's trying to come back. This is what I had up on the beginning when I started this live stream, and it's still looking like it might try to bounce back here. It's got a ton of room to the upside here. We'll see what happens, but man, it's just pretty much destroyed here. It's going to be fun to see. I love to see other people make money out here in the market. I'm here for it. It's such a bull market. The market is on fire right now. Beyond Meat, I've talked about this one, and we traded this one today, BYND. Ticker symbol BYND, you guys. Beyond Meat. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Might get back in this thing. This is my price range right here, $2.06. I am not a rocket scientist. Do not listen to me. But this thing's down today. And I liked it up here. I liked it at $2.20. So I love it down here. I absolutely love this thing down here. $2.05 for Beyond Meat. I mean, listen, they're probably going to figure this thing out. But this is the other dip that it had. This is when it came on my radar, when it dipped down here. And it recovered pretty well. But you can see this is the sell-off. This is nothing compared to this. So if you were here for that, then this part ain't nothing. And you just have to put things into perspective when you're in the market. If you're gonna, especially if you're gonna ride things out, sometimes, what do they say? When in doubt, zoom out, man. Zoom out on that chart if you're really scared. Because this right here ain't nothing compared to this. And this was the buy. This was the trade. All right here was the trade. So if they keep selling off, it's likely to come back and do this right here. But I'm not a rocket scientist. Don't listen to me. This is for entertainment purposes only. Do whatever you want. I know that this thing is selling off again today. What ticker symbol is this? BYND. Beyond Meat. And that's a freebie for you guys. Y'all can have that one. I'm not going to be on here long. I do appreciate the views, the likes. Subscribe if you like talking about stocks. We talk about stocks. That's all we talk about. I come out with videos, stock picks for you guys to put on your list and to watch. Stocks that I think are going to rip, but they also might dip. So just be careful out there. The idea is for all of us to make money. So I do appreciate you guys being present and engaging with the content. Thank you, thank you. Oh man, but it's just too many winners today. Too many winners to even to get in. So that's how the market is. You kind of just have to pick a few and go with it. But man, there were some other ones I wish I kind of was in. But on to tomorrow. For me, the account's exhausted and we're up. Up for the day, up for the week, up for the month. Trying to gain back the losses, the crazy losses where I wasn't really sure what I was doing. Now I'm a lot more aware of trading and how it works. You have to pay your dues to the market to figure it out, especially when you don't know who to trust and none of it makes sense. We're going to take a look at OPAD though. We do have live trades. Not the last one, I believe the one before that one though. I did live trading, which was a beautiful setup. So if you're interested in seeing some live trades, that's what we did last time. But you can see OPAD down 12% today. Man, this is going to be an advantage for somebody out there. I think this is a bump in the road for OPAD. I've talked about it so many times. We've talked about this stock and it's bounced so many times. But you guys are going to do what you want anyways. You're going to go for the ones, chase the ones at the top. Man, I know a lot of people got burned yesterday with that SPRB. That thing was wild. That was a wild stock. It was over $300, and it was like $140 this morning. So, ouch, 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 ouch. I know people got burned on that one. Oh. Wheels Up. I'm going to take a look at Wheels Up UP. There's too many that I like right now. I just don't have the funds to invest in all these right now. But man, I think this one is going to do well. UP is Wheels Up. It's been getting clobbered. And you can see the dip on this one. It's starting to bounce back here. This is today, folks. This is all today. This is all today. Every single one of these stocks that I told you about today, these are the dips today, not yesterday. There's plenty of time in the market, is what I'm saying, for these things to rip back up. This one already has, kind of. It's kind of still going through a sell-on. AEI was up today. Take a look at FUBO. I know it's taking a dip. Oh, it is down today, 2%. FUBO is down 2%. So it's still, Fubo's still dipping. I love this stock. I love this name, but I still like to get it cheaper here. Even though this is not a bad price. It's really not a bad price, but you can see it can come back down some more. I don't know why my chart's being weird. Okay, whatever. I don't know why it does that. Because these aren't the best, but stair stepping up here, and then this sell off, and this is kind of what it's doing again. So it could come back down here, and that's what I'm kind of waiting for, but I don't know if it will. I don't know if it will. I mean, this is already a discount, but we've been keeping our eye on it. A lot of buyers, a lot of other people watching it too. Oh man, I love the market. No other place I'd rather be. Ticker symbol FUBO on the screen. Fubo. Hey, calm down. Quit. That's enough. Alright, I'm going to take a look at the market real quick. Yeah, XBIO still up there, ATON. And then GME Plus, most of them are just kind of trading sideways. ABVE, monster today. Monster. Is this a dip I see though? Is this a dip I see? I don't know. Oh man. I don't know. It's just a monster. This is ABVE on the daily, you guys. It's up 61%. ABVE. What a day. Oh, wow. ZMB is down? I thought that one was running. Man, that stock is wild, bro. I kind of like it. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I kind of like that. That's looking good, no? ZNB. Alright, I'm gonna leave on this one with you guys, and y'all can like it, love it, or hate it. I really don't care. But ZNB on the screen here. This is the biggest loser in the market. So I don't know. I might scoop up a few shares of this just to see if it bounces. It's down 45%, which is, you know, not the worst. I've seen worse, but it might bounce. What do you guys think? This is the one that was like $3-4 yesterday. That's right. Damn. I think I might scoop up like. I'm gonna buy a few shares of it, and I'm gonna leave you guys with this one. I think this one might be a good evening, afternoon, maybe after hours day trade here. Maybe tomorrow. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I mean, I don't need much out of this, so if I can grab it down here, see what happens. See what happens. But I'm not trying to spend too long on here. I do appreciate the thumbs up, the likes. You guys subscribe if you like stocks, if you like talking about trading, if you like hot stock picks. I think this one right here, the buyers are moving in, so we'll see what happens. I'm gonna grab a few shares right here. Right, Sean. Maybe even right here. Screw it, you know? Nah, it'll probably sell off again down through here, so. Told myself I was not gonna trade today, and what are we doing? What are we doing? Trading. I can't stop it. I'm a man on a mission. I'm not gonna lie about that. But when I see a deal, I go for it. Oh, yeah, we're gonna miss the bounce on this. That's all right. I seen it. We seen it. Man, it would have been nice to get in down here. Nah, it could still sell off. It's at 188. We'll see what happens. Yeah, I don't know. It's pretty big green candles. Oh, there we go. 187. What are we trying to grab it at? And you know what? Dang it. It's gonna take off probably. I'm hoping for some more red candles, not green candles. Oh, there we go. There's some red candles. There we go. Thank you. Alright. More red. Try to get this down here, not up here. There we go. Beautiful. Alright, you guys let me know what you're trading. I'll pull it up here on the screen. I'm just messing around right now with ZNB. It's down big time no matter what. I mean, this is still a kind of, you know, a steal for it right here, but this thing could really sell off again, which I'm ready for. All right. 188. It's gonna give me those shares. Sorry. Should have grabbed them earlier. However, though, this one's starting to look good. I wonder if I can get 9.4. Oh, that's a big green candle. Dang. We're not gonna get it. Oh, wow, there it goes. There we go. Trying to get 185. Oh. .84. It won't give me the 185 either, but that was beautiful. Hopefully I can get some more shares right there, but we'll see. I think I'm gonna hop off of here and leave you guys with this trade, because I'm gonna try to get in and out, but it's got a lot of room for the upside. This is ZMB. If you want to check it out, it's starting to find a bottom, I think, but hopefully it's going to be a nice little day trade for me. Hope you guys make some money, and I hope you guys stay green. Like, comment, subscribe, you guys. It really does help me out. And we will see you guys in the next video.